What's up, guys? This is gonna be vlog number 3. I got some time lapse I'll add into this video from the other vlogs, but we made a dent in her. But we're gonna load her up, or load both of them up, and get them off to the guy that's gonna build the trailer for us, because we got all the other pits. We really don't have time to mess with the trailer. We'll see what this opens up for us, but I'll set y'all up on the time lapse of loading this other one up, and yeah, we'll get to it. Peace. All right, guys, got her done. Got them all loaded up. They're gonna go to the guy that's building the trailer for us, and we'll get started on the next 500 gallon and finish these up when we get them back on the trailer. But they turned out pretty nice. But I think that's gonna wrap it up for this this vlog number 3, and I guess I'll see you on the next one. Peace.